Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get 6 boxes on your TikTok live. The 6 boxes option comes from a type of multi-guest layout that allows you to invite up to 5 other people on your TikTok live, and they can go live together with you as a guest. All right guys, let's look at how you can get the 6 boxes on your TikTok live. Now if you want to do that, first step to take is to open your TikTok application and go live. Now is to click on guest icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then this window will pop up. Once it popped up, now just look at the top right corner. You see the settings icon there, click on that, and then right here you get 2 layout options, panel and grid. First of all, let me turn this off. Now you get the panel and grid option. Now if you want to get, oh sorry about that, let me click on the guest icon at the bottom left corner again and click on settings. All right, so you get these 2 options, the panel and grid. Those are the 2 available layout for multi-guest. Now if you select the grid option, you are going to get you're going to get 6 boxes. So select the grid option and click on switch. Now once you switch to that, you will have to click on the guest icon at the bottom left corner of your screen again, click on settings at the top right corner, and turn on the toggle button for fixed layout. Now once this is turned on, you are going to get 6 boxes on your TikTok live. 1 is for the host, which is you, and the 5 other ones are for the people who you can invite on your TikTok live. So click on the invite to invite people to your TikTok live. All right, so it's that easy. All right guys, so this is how you can actually get 6 boxes on your TikTok live. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.